Hey guys, Mr. Nazarevich here with Mr. Curtis Staples, and we're continuing talking about simplifying rational expressions. So here we're actually going to be multiplying two rational expressions. When I'm multiplying rational expressions, what's my plan, my initial plan here?
Okay, so first we're going to start by factoring everything out.
Yeah.
So let's start with x squared minus x minus 6. That factors to x minus 3, and then x plus 2.
Good. So you knew how to do that in your head. Obviously, if you didn't, you can use the t-table or anything else to help you with that.
And then x squared minus 9, that's a difference of squares.
Good.
So that's going to factor to x plus 3 times x minus 3.
Good.
And on this side we have 9x plus 27. So we can factor out a 9 right there. So once we take out the 9, we have x plus 3 left. And then on the denominator we have 6x squared plus 12. So we can take out a 6, and that leaves us with x squared plus 2.
Okay. So here's what we have now. And because everything is being multiplied, I'm going to switch markers with you here. Because everything is multiplied, then what's our plan here?
Okay, so first we're going to see if we have any similarities on the numerator and the denominator. And so,
Does it matter if it's on the left expression or in the right expression when I'm canceling?
no, it does not.
Okay, that's correct.
So we have an x plus 3 on this numerator, and we see that there's an x plus 3 down here. So we can cancel that out.
Good.
And we see that there's an x minus 3 right there and an x minus 3 right here. So we can cancel these two out.
Good.
And that leaves us with 9 times x plus 2 on the numerator.
So the other thing that I can do, were you going to simplify
I
that?
was going to simplify it.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so that will leave us with 9 times x plus 2 on the numerator,
Yeah.
and 6 times x squared plus 2 on the denominator.
Can I cancel the x and the x squared plus the x plus 2 and the x squared plus 2?
No, you cannot.
You're right. So they're not the same expression. So because of the squared, there's nothing else I can do with that.
And then right here, we can cancel out, the 9 and the 6 have a 3 in common.
Yeah.
So we can make that 3 times x plus 2 over 2 times x squared plus 2.
Yeah. So once I simplified all the expressions minus the coefficients, the 9 and the 6 you said simplifies to 3 halves because I can take a 3 out of both of those. And this is it. There's nothing else I can do with that, which means that 3 quantity x plus 2 divided by 2 quantity x squared plus 2 is the simplified version of this multiplication problem.